Is your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we're diving into the process of replacing the MDAs in your HP Pavilion. Quince B4 550. This upgrade can significantly enhance your laptop's performance. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You'll require a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger for safe handling of components. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery, if possible. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components. Locate the M2 SSD slot. Ponte do LNPS slot. It's usually near the center of the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the area with compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This helps maintain optimal airflow and cooling. Now, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Next, gently unscrew the M2 SSD from its slot. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components. Once unscrewed, pull the SSD out at a slight angle. If you're replacing it with a new SSD, align it with the slot and insert it at the same angle. Push it down gently and secure it with the screw you just removed. After securing the new SSD, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and screw it in securely. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling or loose parts. Before you power it on, it's wise to check that everything is in place. If you're unsure, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure your laptop is in perfect working order. Now, plug in your laptop and power it on. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure the new SSD is recognized. To do this, press the appropriate key during startup, usually FDVS or S key. Once in the BIOS, navigate to the storage section to confirm your new SSD is listed. If you encounter any issues, remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Once confirmed, exit the BIOS and boot into your operating system. You may need to format the new SSD before use. This can be done through disk management in Windows. Right-click on the new drive and select Format. Follow the prompts to complete the process. And there you have it. Your HP Pavilion Quince B450 is now equipped with a new M2 SSD, ready to deliver improved performance. Enjoy your upgraded laptop. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.